Namaskar. In this video I will discuss about other suggested practices. Review of the day's events is very useful in memory training and in observing your own actions and reactions in daily life. This practice can be further extended by recalling a day in your life from a week ago, a month ago, a year ago, and so on back into early childhood. All that is necessary is to recall one small incident, then expand your memory of the sequence of events surrounding it. You will be surprised how clearly and vividly the memories will manifest. An extension of the previous practice is to recall and witness past traumas. If the witness attitude is maintained, this becomes an effective method of overcoming the negative samskaras of the mind, but it can be extended further by recreating the experience in the mind, only this time with an outcome that would have left a positive impression rather than a negative one. This not only helps ease the pain, but prepares the mind to respond positively when similar situations occur in the future. The breath can be used to conduct visual images such as breathing in light and breathing out smoky impurities. Pain and discomfort can be relieved by directing the inhaled breath to the affected part and releasing the pain with the exhalation. The science of prana vidya utilizes techniques such as visualizing the affected part of the body being bathed in golden light and warmth, or a process of removal of the diseased tissue and a rebuilding of healthy tissue to facilitate healing. To develop feelings of empathy and security, you can visualize yourself in a bubble or cocoon, warm, comfortable, safe, and secure. Begin to expand your bubble to include others near you than all persons in the room. If the sensation is uncomfortable, withdraw to a comfortable space until you are able to expand again. This expansion can be continued to include everyone on the locality, country, world, and universe. There are many other visualization possibilities which may be utilized once the doors of the unconscious have been opened. The creative potential is vast, and through the practice of visualization in Yoga Nidra, the possibility of self-realization advances another step.